The horizon stretches endlessly, asphalt glinting under the midday sun. The air hums with anticipation. You're not just thinking about riding, you're thinking about conquering, about escaping, about living every mile with your heartbeat synced to the roar of a machine that doesn't apologize for its power. Enter the 2026 Yamaha FJR1300, a beast reborn, built for the rider who refuses to compromise. This isn't your average tourer. The FJR1300 has always carried a legacy, a reputation for long-haul dominance, highway supremacy, and the kind of smooth handling that makes you forget you're on the edge of control. But Yamaha's 2026 incarnation, they've turned the legend up a notch. It's bigger, bolder, and hungrier for open roads than ever before. The kind of bike that makes your pulse quicken even before you hit the ignition. Slide into the cockpit, and it's like stepping into a cockpit designed for chaos, but controlled chaos. Your hands wrap around the handlebars with an almost magnetic certainty. Every curve, every inch of the machine feels intentional. Like the engineers whispered to the bike, make them beg for mercy, but do it elegantly. The fairing cuts through the wind, the seat hugs you just enough, and the chassis is ready to respond to every twitch of your wrist with precision that borders on telepathy. But this ride isn't just about straight-line bravado. The FJR1300 2026 wants to tackle corners like a predator stalking its prey. Lean into a twisty mountain pass, and the bike doesn't just follow, it dances, it purrs. It reminds you why Yamaha built it in the first place. Every acceleration is a surge of adrenaline. Every braking moment feels like pure control. It's tourer comfort mixed with sport bike instinct, the kind of mix that makes other bikes look like timid toys. Let's talk presence. There's a certain aura that comes with a bike like this. It's not just the polished bodywork or the way the fairing frames the twin headlights like a glare from the gods. It's the promise of freedom, the whisper of adventure in every gear shift. On the highway, cars part instinctively. In the city, heads turn. Riders nod. You know you're riding a legend, and this 2026 model doesn't just carry that weight, it owns it. Inside, the tech is subtle, but undeniable. Ride modes, traction control, cruise settings, tools to make the beast tamed when you need it and unleashed when you don't. It's a balance of chaos and order, and you feel it every time you twist the throttle. Long-haul rides are no longer chores, they're symphonies. Each mile sings with the hum of the engine, the wind in your face, and the world blurring into streaks of color. Night rides are transformed too. The LED setup cuts through darkness like a blade. The road becomes your canvas, and every ride paints a story of reckless freedom. Now imagine packing it for the journey. Top boxes, saddlebags, room for gear, your partner, your dog, maybe a week's worth of escape from civilization. This isn't a bike that says, you'll get there eventually. It says, we'll get there fast, comfortably, and we'll remember every second, every vibration of the engine, every feedback from the suspension, every throttle response is a reminder. You are alive, and the road is yours. The FJR1300 2026 doesn't ask for respect, it commands it. It's the kind of bike that turns casual rides into rituals. It's the machine that makes you forget about traffic lights, schedules, and responsibilities. It's the companion that understands that speed isn't about recklessness. It's about living on the edge with control, precision, and a smirk that only real bikers get. Some might see it and call it a tourer. They'll think it's for long, lazy Sunday rides. They don't understand. This is a tourer for the fearless, for the insane ones who measure distance in memories and danger in stories they'll tell over a campfire. It's built for those who can ride for hours without feeling tired, because the bike itself absorbs the stress and throws it back as exhilaration. Every journey becomes a quest, every route a challenge, and every ride a testament to your own audacity. In terms of presence, there's no hiding. You roll up to a gas station and whispers follow. Is that the new FJR? Yes, it is. And it's everything you thought a sport touring beast could be and more. From its aggressive stance to its refined curves, from the growl of the engine to the whisper of aerodynamic finesse, the 2026 Yamaha FJR1300 screams, I'm built to dominate, and I know it. Riding it in the city is a different kind of rush. Between traffic and streetlights, it maneuvers with grace, but the moment the asphalt opens up, you're in a different world. The bike breathes, stretches, and lunges forward with a confidence that makes every other vehicle a mere blur. That's the magic of Yamaha engineering. They've always understood that a great touring bike must be both a highway monster and a city phantom. And let's not forget endurance. The FJR1300 2026 is built for journeys that test human limits. Long rides, unpredictable weather, winding roads, it welcomes them all. Rain? The suspension keeps you planted. Heat? The ergonomics keep you cool. Darkness? The LED lights carve your path. Fatigue? The smooth ride reminds your body that it's part of a symphony, not a struggle. This isn't just a bike, it's a partner, a confessor, a challenge. And above all, it's a thrill that never quits. Yamaha's vision for this model goes beyond horsepower or specs. It's about the soul of riding. The 2026 FJR1300 isn't content to sit in showrooms. It's meant to be felt, lived, and pushed to its limits. The bike doesn't whisper promises. It shouts them in the language of roaring engines and twisting throttle grips. It's the ride that makes you question everything you've ridden before. And it dares you to rise to the challenge. So, to the crazy bikers, the adrenaline junkies, the ones who see a winding road and feel a rush like a shot of lightning, this is your machine. The Yamaha FJR1300 2026 is more than a bike. It's freedom made tangible, danger made elegant, and thrill made relentless. Strap in, rev hard, lean deep, and let the asphalt remember your name. Because this isn't just a ride, it's a declaration. You are unstoppable, untamed, and unafraid. The open road is calling. Are you ready to answer?